Hello, today I would like to present you how to update your firmware on the Cerbo GX. For that operations, I'm going to be using GX Touch 50, but most likely you could also get away by using your phone, but I believe the use of the GX Touch is going to be safer just in case the firmware process will fail and drop your connection. So I believe better to do it locally. I assume that your Cerbo GX is connected to the internet and got access to the VRM portal. And here, if we go to the menu, you can see that we've got the Wi-Fi icon and my unit is providing all the information to the web portal. We go into the settings, we go into firmware, we go into online updates, and as you can see, we've got update to latest firmware, which is 3.0. If you do not see latest firmware update, you can always click the check to update button, but here we are going to go into press to update, and it's going to download the firmware from the internet and install to our Cerbo GX. So let's take a look what's going on the Cerbo GX. I'm pretty sure it will need to reboot as the new firmware is going to be installed. So that's why I told you that you might get lost connection. And we are going to see what's going to happen. So give it a moment. And looks like we've got the information about new firmware being installed. Looks like it's rebooting. And as I expected, we drop our connection. So if you would do that remotely, you might get scared and you might be afraid that something is wrong. But here, if you are doing it locally, you've got absolutely no problem. It's nicely booting up. It's detecting our equipment. My multi-plus is visible. I can see my smart solar. Let's take a look at the firmware. We go into settings. We've got the firmware, online updates, press to check. And as you can see, we've got the no new firmware version available. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.